Welcome, everybody. I grew up in a football household, and my dad wanted one of us to be a pro, so I had no option but to play football. I went down to Brentford and had trials there, but they didn't call me back.
Any good friends in football?
Gordon Strachan, Dennis Law, Jimmy Johnson, and George Best. He was a lovely fella.
What was Sir Elton John like as a football player?
You know, he loved the game, he could never play it. We both used to live real close to each other in the early 70s. We'd be up all night doing drugs and things. You know, because the 70s were all drug and alcohol fueled and shaggy. You know, that's all behind me now.
Sounds terrible.
Elton, sometimes we'd spend Christmases together, and the Christmas presents he bought me, I thought I was buying him a big Christmas present. He gave me a fucking I'm done.
Yeah, I think we're done.